Hey boys and girls, welcome back to Bo's Mopar Garage. Beautiful bright day here, a little chilly. It's 50 degrees, about 11:20. It was a little cold last night. We're down to 24, which is cold for us. So today we're gonna get back on this 71 barn find. Put this new used rail in. There's still some of the frame rail left in here. I cut the big piece out of it the other day. So I gotta finish chopping it out of here, clean up the floor a little bit, and get it ready to go in. So let's get started. I'm working on the inside right now. So I gotta get this piece of rusty floor out of the way. And this is what's left of the old rail. So I get this out of here, get it cleaned up. I might just cut this right out of here because it's ugly looking. So I'm taking this piece out right here right now. So I'm cutting the spot welds with the air chisel and just peeling it up. Here's your e-brake cable and your fuel lines. There's two brackets right here for your seat, so you don't want to cut those. This torsion bar cross member is in real nice shape. So your floor spot welds to the top of this. And here's what's left of that frame rail. Chop that right out of the way. Rusty, rusty, rusty. Looks like it's been sitting in the dirt. All right. So I'm going to clean up the edges around here and the rock, get the rest of this whole floor out. There we go. All right. So I'm replacing the firewall in this car also. I'm going to leave it in here until we get the rail in here. I'll use these as reference marks here. And then once we get the rail in, we'll chop this out and finish cutting the floor out. And we'll put a new firewall in it.